In today's video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the sum and the count of the same field in Excel. So this is pretty simple, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So you'll need a pivot table right here, as you can see. And for example, in my case, I'm going to drag this option right here, which is product group, and I'm going to drag it right here to values. So as you can see, it has created a duplicate of that column right here. But right here on values, all I have to do is go to this one right here, and I'm going to select value field settings. So right here, instead of sum, as you can see, I'm going to simply select the count option and then hit OK. So this is it. This is how you can simply calculate at the same time the sum and the count of the same column. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.